In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use symbols in Smartsheet. By adding a symbol column to your spreadsheet, you can visually track everything from status updates to progress reports, making it much easier to understand and communicate your project's current state at a glance. Whether you're managing a team project, tracking personal tasks, or creating a dashboard to present information, using symbols can enhance the clarity and impact of your Smartsheet data. So, let's go ahead and dive into the steps. First things first, open up your Smartsheet and locate the sheet that you'd like to add symbols to. Once you have your sheet open, look for the column header where you'd like to insert a new column. When you hover over it, you'll see a small plus icon appear. Clicking on this icon is the gateway to enhancing your sheet with symbols. A drop-down will appear giving you two options: Insert column right or insert column left. Choose the position that makes the most sense for your data arrangement. Remember, the placement of this column can help improve the readability and flow of your entire sheet. Once you've added your new column, you'll need to set the column type to symbol. This selection is where things get interesting and allow for a bit of customization, as you'll be prompted to select your preferred symbol set. Smartsheet offers a variety of symbol types to cater to different needs and preferences. You might choose status flags to indicate whether a task is completed or still in progress bars to visualize how much has been achieved, or even symbols like hearts for a more personalized touch on personal projects. Each set of symbols serves a unique purpose, so think about how you want to represent your data and what will be most informative at a glance. After you have selected your preferred symbol set, click OK to finalize your choices. The new symbol column should now appear in your sheet, ready for input. This column will not only enrich the way you look at your data, but also how you interact with it, offering you a quick visual cue of the project's dynamic situations. Now, you may be asking how to make the best use of this symbol column. The key to getting the most out of symbols in Smartsheet is consistency. Use your selected symbols uniformly to maintain clarity. For instance, if you're using red, yellow, and green balls to indicate task status, stick to the same colors for the same conditions throughout your project. This consistency will allow anyone viewing the sheet to quickly grasp the status without second-guessing what a particular symbol means. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've not only learned to add a symbol column to your Smartsheet, but also enhance the document's ability to convey information visually and efficiently. It's a simple yet powerful tool to upgrade your data presentation and project management skills. Thank you for tuning in, and happy Smartsheeting.